In this video, I'll show you how to fix Lively wallpaper not working. It's going to be a step-by-step guide, so make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. So if I come on here, if I search for Lively wallpaper, so mine is currently opening. If I tap on it, so you can see it. So this is my Lively wallpaper. It's currently opening and it's working. So if yours is not working, I'm going to show you what you need to fix. Now tap on this, tap on the settings, wait for it to load up, tap on the apps, tap on apps and features, open it up, come on here from this search, type in Lively, so it's going to come out. So tap on these three dots, tap on advanced options, so you can select this app run on background. You can change it to be in always. Get scroll down as well, you can see the reset and the repair. So test this, but if this app is not working, you can be able to repair it. You get. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you like and subscribe.